So importing a bank statement in Xero is quite straightforward. So I am now in our demo file that we've created and I'm on the dashboard. As you can see, this is the bank account that we have. So if I click on manually import a statement, because that's the option that I have available, it's going to take me to the screen, which is going to allow me to import my bank statement in. So an important thing to keep in mind is that you can only import your statement in a specific format. So here it tells you that which format you can download it as, OFX, CSV, QFX, QIF. It also allows you to download the CSV template. So for our purposes, I actually downloaded the CSV template and I just manually created a bank statement. So now I want to upload that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say select a file. So I click on that and then I'm going to go to my folder in which I saved this information. And I'm just going to I double clicked on it, right? And if we go down, you can see that it has brought it in. I can now click on next. And then it's going to ask me to assign column headings. So my column heading for date, and it's showing me the date that it's previewing it file from. So I obviously started my bank statement from the 1st of January, and it's assigning, it's already got like a field that it wants to assign it to. So I actually don't need to date that change anything because I want it to be on transaction date. Then the amount column, and there's the amount that I've got, and it's assigning it to transaction amount. So I'm not going to make any changes there. Then there are columns for payee. So again, I'm assigning it to payee. And then if there was description and reference and check number, those would have been included as well. So for our purposes, I have not included any other information on the CSV other than the amount, the date, and the payee. So if I'm happy, I can now go on to next, and you can see that it's showing me what my preview is going to be like. Don't import the first line because they're column headings. That is automatically default to be ticked because we don't actually want the headings to come in. And then I just click on next. And now if we look at it, it's showing me that I have 16 transactions that are ready to be imported. And then if I am happy, I'm just going to go and click on complete import. And there we go. You can see my transactions are now in Xero and they have been imported.